Hey guys, welcome back to vlog number 4. So I know I am filming this on the floor. Today's video is going to be, I really don't know what today's video is about, but I am going to plan something and might just go out. I'm not sure. I just decided to put my makeup on and I might just take you guys out with me. I really don't know where I'm going. I don't know, but I'm gonna take you guys out, okay? Like today, I just don't get what's going on with my eyebrows. I don't know if you guys can see, but my brows is not cooperating today. Like do you know how long it took me to fix these brows? Like, gosh, I took nearly about 3 hours, I must say, to get these brows done, and they're still not perfect. And I am just so fed up and I'm done. I have been longing to go to Tkmaxx because I see how they have like really nice Christmas stuff at Tkmaxx, and I just want to check it out myself, okay? So I might be getting things and I might not, I don't know. So but okay, so after Tkmaxx I also want to pick up some hair products from the hair shop. But yeah, when I get back I will let you guys know what I pick up. Like my hair, you guys, oh, I know you guys might be like, oh, she's had this hair for so long, this and that, you're not gonna change it. I'm gonna change it. My birthday's coming up soon, so I'm just waiting till then to get my hair done. And also you guys might be saying, oh, your nails is like, you know, I know I have to change all of these things. I'm just waiting till next week to get my nails done, also probably do my hair or something, you know. So because my birthday is like in 2 weeks, so yeah, I will be getting all of that done. Don't worry, I know I need to fix my nails, definitely, but yeah. So I'm just gonna take you guys out and we'll go, okay? Guys, look how beautiful this place is. So Christmassy. I love this jumper. Look how nice this is. And it's £24. It's really cute. And it has like pearls around it. Really cute. Oh wow, look at this jumper. Wow, this is so pretty. It's like a crop jumper. Love it. I absolutely love this. I feel like getting this one. Oh gosh. Okay, it's £20. £20. I think I want to try this jacket on. It's extra large. I think I want to try on this jacket. Oh wow, this is so cute. These are toppers, isn't it? Angels. Oh, I saw that in I saw these at Onsens. They're so cute. The same thing in Onsens. Wow, this is, oh my gosh, guess how much this is, you guys? This is only £16. Oh my god, I feel like getting this.
cute bubbles. These bubbles are so cute.
So you guys, I just got home and I went to Tkmaxx, you guys. Literally everything was gone. Like, the main reason why I went to Tkmaxx was for a nice little Christmas, I think it's a jug or a mug, but I couldn't find it. So I just got something else, you know, not a lot. So I just got like 2 or 3 things from Tkmaxx. Let me show you. This is open already. Okay, so this is what I got. Oh, what was I doing? So stupid. Okay, so this is a penguin jug and it has like this little lid. It's so cute. It's so cute, but I'm gonna use it as a mug. I'm gonna use it for my hot chocolate coffee or whatever. So yeah, I got this. This one is £5, $4.99. I cannot wait to use this as a mug. Okay, I'll be using this as a mug. I'm gonna use it for my hot chocolate, coffee, whatever. The main reason why I went to Tkmaxx was because I wanted like some little Christmas mug. I think it's a jug. I've been seeing it a lot on YouTube. So I wanted the same mug, no, jug. I wanted the same thing, but they didn't have it in this Tkmaxx. I was so upset because that's the main reason why I went there. So I saw this was like the last one as well. So I got, let me just get this one instead. This is still cute too, so yeah. Next one I picked up from Tkmaxx is this little soap dispenser. This is so cute. What is this supposed to be?
A mouse.
So this is so cute. This is meant to be a mouse, you guys. So my kids made me pick. Is it a cat?
No,
it's a mouse.
It's a cat.
It's a mouse.
It's a cat.
It's a mouse.
It's a cat.
So this is a mouse soap dispenser and this is £8. Absolutely cute. Actually, Eniola made me get this. My little girl, she wanted this and I was like, oh, it's so cute. Like, how can I say no? So I picked this up. Really cute, you guys. So cute. I'm gonna show you. Come on, focus. There you go. This is absolutely cute, you guys. I love it. Look at it. It's $7.99, £8. Absolutely. So basically that's everything that I picked up from Tkmaxx, you guys. Now I'm just gonna go make food because I am so hungry and I'm gonna take you guys to the kitchen with me.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this video.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did not plan this video. I didn't know what to film because I know that I have to put up a video tomorrow, which is Sunday. So I just decided to do something real quick, you know. So yeah, hopefully next time I will plan myself properly and I will be able to put up like a what's it called, a good reasonable vlog, I should say. This is okay, there's nothing wrong with it, but just plan myself more, you know. So yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoy this. Let me know in the comments if you do, and also if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mary. You are so welcome. Don't forget to press that notification bell and also thumbs up this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.